When a space is well designed, everything feels connected. The floor, the stairs, and the link between them. Introducing i4F Stair Tread technologies. 2 systems enabling easy-to-install stair treads that match any flooring perfectly. The stair treads are made from the same material used on your steps or floor. So whatever the lighting, you achieve a perfect colour match with your flooring every time. One system uses an L-shaped construction. The other uses a U-shaped construction. At the top, a discrete bonding strip seals the transition from floor to stair. The surface is water resistant and easy to clean, and robust enough for everyday use. Compatible with SPC, WPC, LVT, laminate and wood. Designed for open and closed staircases. One floor, one staircase. i4F Stair Tread Technologies.